So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in color filters. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have color filters turned off. See if that works. For the second method, make sure that your cable is properly plugged into your monitor and plugged into your computer. Make sure that it's not loose and it's not hanging out. Make sure that it's properly connected to both your monitor and your computer, whether that be a HDMI cable, VGA cable, or DisplayPort, or any other display cable that you're using. And if you have a spare cable lying around, you could try using that instead. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab. And now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you finish that scan, now you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will not fix your problem.